See, Juan is Juan is extremely close to the.
I think we would literally die without her.
I'm pretty sure we're.
I feel like you got a little bit more space than I do.
No, you have more, you have because your wheel is more forward.
Yeah,
than mine.
I messed up like that.
So I give mine more space.
I should have done that. We technically have still room in the back.
We do.
Like
so there's 3 tires right here, basically in the back seat, and then 1 in the trunk, right? But you were like bumper to bumper traffic right here, so it's gonna be slightly awkward here.
So overall, what do you think of the wheels and Dolphin?
I think they're pretty good, to be honest. From what the price you're telling me, and I thought the blue wasn't gonna be that great, but when I saw into the car, it actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's actually really good. I'm really surprised. Like, also I was getting a haircut. And I saw this dude post them, and I'm like, damn, this is such a cheap price. Are they real? Are they replicas? And I hit him up, and he he was like super down. So we met him up. I lagged on him hella times.
I apologize for that.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I was like 4 hours late. I kept telling him an hour, give me an hour. And he was just like, it's okay, bro, it's okay.
Yeah, but no, they look good. I mean, other than obviously, I guess what you gotta show them the imperfections here and there. But, But no, it looking for the price.
For the price, dude, you can't beat it.
You really can't.
Yeah. Should I tell them the price, or should we keep it under hush hush?
Keep it under hush hush for the moment.
As you guys can see, I bought 4 set of wheels, and let me show you guys how they look like. Yeah, I bought them used, but on these wheels, the lead time's like 6 to 8 months, and they were like $1,800 plus taxes and shipping. Probably come out to like $2,200. I got these for a smoking good deal. I'll tell you guys later how much I paid for them. And the only problem is that there is a little bit of curb rash on some of the wheels.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work...
We got the wheels in the back. I'm pretty much just gonna swap the front 2 tires to these wheels, and then I'm gonna debate on the rears what I'm gonna do with them. Most likely I'm gonna end up swapping them too.
Good morning, guys. So it's like 6 in the morning right now. You guys are probably wondering, what am I doing up at this ungodly hour? And I'm officially selling these wheels. I'm officially selling them, and the only buyer I actually found that was serious. Holy, that is such a big cockroach. Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude, that thing is huge. Hopefully it's not one of those flying ones. Here's the clicker for comparison. Oh my gosh. This garage is like, I live in like an apartment complex. It doesn't have like the best ceiling when it comes to the elements, so I noticed there's a lot of those. So I ended up putting little like traps, but those traps are way too small for things like that. That's insane. Holy, oh man, look, it's like moving and stuff. Hopefully it's not one of those flying ones. Anyways, he was the only real like serious buyer, and he said he gets off work like at 6 in the morning, and then he lives like in Modesto. You guys are probably wondering why, you know, these have tires. Originally, I was supposed to take these tires out yesterday, because they have a good amount of thread left, but I'm just gonna give them to them like that. I didn't want to waste extra money, just because I got charged like $100 just to remove these and swap them over to the new wheels. That's why I don't have tires on these. So let's get to it because it's about to be 6:30. I'm supposed to meet them up around 6:30.
Cold start. Not bad. What up? Just got off work. I only work like 3 hours if you want to count that as working. But there's a BRZ meet today, just strictly for BRZs, FRSs, and 86s. And man, look at this like pimple I got right here. So disgusting. And I have a few things I gotta go pick up for a few more projects I'm gonna do to this car. And I'm like, you know what? Might as well just stop by. Let's see the other cars and show you guys. It's my first time going.
Better take some pictures real quick. It's basically a thumbnail right here. But yeah, you can see I gotta get way lower. It's pretty much just like stock height. Coilover is a little bit lower and then slammed. So we got one GR86 and then 4 BRZs. They're clean.